Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and it's time for me to invite you to join me for my Diva Days online crop on September the 22nd. What is an online crop? An online crop is a gathering of like-minded crafters who want to get together and hang out and work on projects using Cricut Design Space. So you're either a Cricut Explorer user or a Cricut Maker user. And what I've done is that we love to get together, but we all live in different parts of the country. We also don't always have time to be able to travel, but we would love to go hang out in a more intimate setting, working with making projects, learning some new things, and meeting new friends, right? So what I've done is I've developed this online crop. Been doing it for a couple of years now, and I'm inviting you to come participate with us. And what we do is that on Saturday, September the 22nd, starting at 9 a.m. Central Time, adjust that for your own time zone, you're going to, from the comfort of your own home, you'll be online with me in a private Facebook group, and we will be doing 3 project classes. I've already made the design space files that I share with you. There's a supply list that you get. And then on Saturday, you will watch me put together live in a live classroom within the Facebook group. You're going to watch me put together the projects while you're putting it together at your house. So you will end up with 3 finished projects for the day, and you will pick up techniques. My classes are all about teaching you new techniques or working with materials maybe you haven't used before. And it's a great way for you to kind of just expand your knowledge, plus set aside some time, dedicated time for crafting. Now, don't worry, if for some reason you need to come and go on Saturday, the 3 project classes are always recorded. So you'll get those recording after Diva Days is over. After a couple of days, I process the recorded classes, and you'll get access to those. So if you can't be with us all day from 9 to 6 Central Time on Saturday, and you can only be part of the time, you can still take the class, okay? So those 3 live classes, I'm going to show you those for September here in a minute. But what else happens? We have contests going on. So we do a Diva instant win contest where I ask questions, and you guys, I may tell you to go find something in Design Space and come back and answer the question, and then you get a chance to win a prize. The other thing is we do Diva Scraps, and Diva Scraps are small projects that I give you 1 hour to create. I give you the inspiration, tell you what I want you to make. Let's say I tell you to make a card using these colors in 2 Design Space images or something. Then you make it during that 1 hour. You take a picture, you post it in the group, and then anyone who enters the contest by posting their project photo, you get a chance to win a prize. So it's a lot of fun. We have a great time, and it is a way for you to come meet new people, hang out. There's a lot of alumni divas, and they love to get together, and they've all become very good friends, and they live all over the place, okay? So we've got some girls all over the United States, and we have some ladies from Canada that join us, and so we have a really fun time. And I want to invite you to this September 22nd Diva Days event. Now the fee is $30, but you get the the project's already designed, so you get the cut files, you get the supply list, so you pull your own supplies, and then obviously the contest and prizes and everything. So on top of this, I also do what we call the Diva Challenges. And Diva Challenges are 5 challenge projects that I give you an entire week to work on because they're bigger projects, and they are really to push you trying and doing new things in Design Space, or making sure you set aside time to actually do some crafting. Maybe you've got a project in mind you want to work on. Challenges, you have a whole week to work on, and then at the end of that week you post your photo in the Diva Facebook group of that challenge project that you made, and then I draw winners from that. So there's a chance for a lot of prizes, a chance for a lot of fun, and the main thing is inspiration, meeting other people, and inspiring others. And so something that I'm really passionate about. Now let me show you what we're going to be making in the September Diva Days. The projects always change every Diva Days. I do these every other month. So the first project we're going to be making is I have made my own bendy card in Design Space. So I'm going to share the project file with you. and talk about how to make your own bendy cards. And then for this project, we're just using cardstock and pattern paper. But I'm going to talk about some techniques on making some cards. So that's the first project, and we'll make an envelope. Second project we're going to be making is we're going to be making this fall or autumn canvas. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas, but the techniques we're talking about here are going to be actually using foil iron-on a canvas. I'm going to give you success tips for doing that. Also, we're going to be layering traditional vinyl on top of that foil iron-on, and we're going to be making a 3D word element using Cricut Craft Board. And it's a really fun project to do, and you'll pick up all kinds of techniques that you'll be able to use as you make other sign projects. And the third thing we're going to be doing, the third project, is we're going to be making faux leather earrings. Okay, I have a bunch of different styles, a bunch of different designs. I'm going to be teaching you different techniques on how to use elements in Design Space and make your own faux leather earrings, and how you put all that together. Some of you have not done a lot of jewelry making with your Cricut machines yet, and this is a great opportunity to learn some techniques and be able to make some holiday gifts. The holidays are going to be here before we know it. I'm actually wearing a pair of earrings that I made with the faux leather. Beautiful, right? I get compliments every time I wear these, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun in the September Diva Days making these three projects. Hope you'll come join us. In the description of this video is a link for you to go to my shop page at scrapmequickdesigns.com, and you register. There is a private classroom that it'll ask you to set up your username and password. Once you do that, you'll be in the Diva Days September Diva Days classroom specifically, and you'll find all the files are there. There's a welcome video, and then it'll give you access to the private Facebook group that you'll come join us in all this week. The week leading up to the September Diva Days, we're going to be hanging out in this private Facebook group, sharing, hanging out, getting to know each other, answer questions if there's any supply questions or anything that you want to know about Design Space. And then on Saturday, September the 22nd, is the online crop portion of the event. So hopefully you'll join me. Looking forward to seeing you there. If you can't join, you can still sign up, and you would get all three of those recorded live classes. You'll get all three of those recordings, so you can go back and watch those. Typically, an online class is about $25 to $30, and you'll get all three of those for only $30 for the online crop. So it's kind of a good value to participate in Diva Days, and I hope to see you there. Let me know if you have any questions. And like I said, the link to join us for Diva Days to register is in the description of this video. Bye. I cannot wait to create with you guys. See ya.